Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the camera and card so the reader can do its job. Power the trail camera off and remove the battery if the manual recommends it. This prevents corruption. Make sure the SD card format and capacity match the camera requirements, for example 32 GB FAT32. Once done, insert the card into the reader slot with contacts facing down until it clicks. If it's a micro SD, use the adapter. These steps avoid data loss and speed up the transfer process. Now connect the Wildgame Innovations SD card reader to your computer or phone using the supplied USB cable. You may need to select USB mass storage mode on mobile devices or allow drivers to install on a PC. This ensures the card mounts correctly. Once mounted, open File Explorer or your File app and locate the SD card drive. Confirm the camera folder structure such as DSIM or Game CAM. This verification prevents accidental formatting and helps you find video and photos. To finish, copy photos and videos to a dedicated folder on your computer. Avoid editing directly on the card to reduce corruption risk. When transfers finish, you safe eject or unmount before removing the reader, then reinsert briefly to confirm files copied successfully. If the card isn't recognized, first check the micro SD lock switch or try a different reader or USB port. If still unreadable, test the card and the camera. Format in camera only after backing up files to restore compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.